Okay, so we are trying to be on Facebook Live, but because we are in the mountains, shall I say
Hills,
mountains?
not
Yeah,
mountains, but
hills.
we're in a deep valley.
Yeah, it's quite difficult to go on live through Facebook kahit na meron na akong T-Mobile na mobile pocket Wi-Fi, and I have unlimited Wi-Fi on my phone. I have a USA number now. So, yeah, we're out here. Up there is the deck. That's the deck, right?
Yeah,
Okay, up there is the deck. Ayun siya. And this is where Wendell and I sleeps. It's may
the
sliding door.
basement. Yes,
Sa basement kami natutulog. Is it a basement?
it's
Yeah.
considered a basement. Yes.
So, Daddy Jack and Mama Carol are watching their favorite soap opera movie.
For 50 years.
For 50 years. So, yeah, we're, what can I say? Outside, it's, we're outside and, ang oras po dito is 7:30 p.m. 7:30 ng gabi, and I would like to show you how it looks like dito pag 7:30. Ayan. So, wala pa po kaming mga ilaw, but this is 7:30 p.m. Ayan. So, 7:30 ng gabi. Believe it or not, nagulat din po ako. So, yes, all these things that you see right now, ayan, property po nila Wendell yan. Ayun yung, where was that servant quarters we were saying? Was that one, right?
No, down there on the blue roof down there.
Oh, that blue roof over there. So yung blue roof doon was before a
It's like a
servant's,
two-bedroom house.
yeah, servant's
servants'
quarter
quarters.
nila. Yan. So para sa mga maids nila noon. So yeah, you can see where's the road now? Over there is
The
the main
driveway.
gate, the driveway. And inikot namin siya kanina. So I will be posting yung aming paglakad over
Tomorrow we
woods.
might have thunderstorms, lightning and
Yeah.
thunderstorms.
Yes, they said we have lightning and thunderstorm. And those two things over there are storage.
And one was a
Storage.
pigeon coop because Filipinos have a lot of pigeons.
Yeah, ano ng kalapate. Bahay ng kalapate noon. Kasi yung yumaong tatay ni Wendell, mahilig siya sa mga hayop, no? And then yun dating sa mga baka, right? The cow. So, yeah, malamig
They
dito.
probably have about 80 cows here.
80 cows. Okay, so malamig po dito. That's why kami ay doble-doble ng suot. Ang sarap pa lang ng feeling na foreigner ka sa isang, masarap na hindi, na ikaw ay foreigner sa isang lugar. Mayabang ako kanina kasi pumunta kami ng groceries at saka ng dollar store, and tinitingnan ako, feeling ko artista ako. I feel like I'm a movie star.
Yeah.
So everybody looks at me, smile, and yeah, I think in this place there is no racial discrimination.
No.
We went to the senior citizen club, or parang grupo siya ng mga senior citizen and yung mga hindi na mahiling magluto, like 80 years old people,
It's a gathering place for them to see friends and have a meal, very inexpensive meal.
Yeah. So, sabi ko na nga sa inyo, feeling ko artista ako. So, my mother-in-law introduced us to everybody, lalo na ako.
Yeah. Introducing us, showing us off. Oh, tell them about the crane that came down to the pond.
Yeah, kanina meron kami nakitang crane. Ang laking
Can you
ibon.
hold the stick up and show them where the pond is?
Let's wait. Let me see if this will do. Oh no, it's taking a picture. So, ayun yung pond. Hindi ko siya marireverse yung camera eh. So that's the pond over there. Oh, where is it?
Carabaos to drink water.
Yeah.
But
so
this,
like this.
about a 4-foot crane came in.
Yeah, like this.
To eat frogs and fish.
Yeah. So, ayan. Ayan, meron silang pond dyan. Kanina meron pumuntang ibon. Ang laki niya, akala ko nga ano siya, drone. So, it's called crane. Yun yung nangingisda na ibon. So, then, naghahanap siya ng mga ng mga frogs, yun yung kinakain niya. And then, meron din yung tinatawag nilang ibon na kumakain ng mga patay na hayop. What do you call that bird that eats dead animals?
Vulture.
A vulture.
A turkey vulture.
Turkey vulture. Mga ibon yan. And then, a while ago, we also...
There's deer down there.
Where's the deer?
You can't see them. They're down.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer.
See the trees?
Yeah.
Right below that, right there, they're moving. Can you see them down there?
No, not much.
Okay, you gotta look right straight down. Well, they're on the other side of the road.
Oh, okay.
But they're moving amongst the trees right there.
Okay, let them come in and we will make caldereta. So, yeah, you know, it's a nice place. It's no wonder why Wendell loves to you know, live in this kind of place, because this is 120 acres. Hindi ko alam kung ilang ektarya yon, pero napakalaking lugar. Hiningalak kami kanina. Actually, ako, siya hindi, dahil sanay siya dito. Na, you know, nilakad namin. Hindi namin siya totally naikot, kasi sabi ko, pagod na ako. Tagal-tagal din yun, nagluko 30 minutes. So, but it's good, you know. We are trying to adjust because yun nga, may jet lag pa kami, and like ako, it's my first time to be on the other side of the world. Although dati akong OFW, but 5 hours lang ang doon ang difference with the Philippines. Unlike now, dito ang difference ng oras natin is about 13 hours. Is that a coyote?
Yeah.
Ayun.
Hear them?
So, the reason why nandito po kami sa labas is because we want to... Oh, yeah! There's a lot.
Yeah, there's a lot of coyotes.
Oo. So, gustong iparinig sa akin ni Wendell ang mga coyotes. And, kanina, we were trying to you know, like look for reindeer to mga deer, but mailap sila, no? Pag na-sense nila na may tao, lalayasan kanila. Ayan, masyado silang sensitive. And then cattle, we were trying to look for cattle, but because it's cold, kaya hindi sila
This is
lumabas.
48.5 hectares.
Okay. What?
48.5
Okay.
hectares.
So 120 acres is
48.5 hectares.
48.5 hectares daw. Based sa conversion ni Ate Google. So, yeah. And, ayun, lahat yan hanggang dun sa baba na yon. Ang pagitan lang is yung wall na yon. I mean, yung hill na yon. Yun, hindi na kinila Wendell. So, this is yung area na yan na makikita natin is kasama siya sa 48.5 hectares na property nila. So, yeah, it's nakakapagod, you know, but I'm so surprised because parang isang barangay o 2 barangay o 3 barangay na ang pwedeng tumira dito, no? Pero sa kanila, it's a retirement place wherein people, they just want to live away from the noise, from the pollution, and alam mo yung feeling na may certain peace ka. I really love that yung calmness of the area. Hindi ka naman ibig sabihin hindi ka naman malayo sa city kasi ang city, it's just an hour drive, right?
From
here
Yeah,
city.
from a small city.
Yeah, a
It's
small
probably
city. Like
30
Tarlac
minutes.
City.
Oh, the Tarlac City? Probably an hour, yes.
Yeah, an hour. So we call it St. Roberts, right?
St. Roberts is
Okay.
no, St. Roberts is only 20 minutes, 30 minutes
Oh,
away, but that's small. The
yeah,
city
small
size of
city.
Tarlac would be Rolla, Raleigh, or
Rolla.
Springfield.
Oh, okay. So yeah, for me, the experience is so good, and I wanted to share it to everybody. No, it's an opportunity. Although, sabi ko kay Wendell, because mom is getting old, and na ano nga namin siya, parang na-disappoint siya because she thought that we will be staying here with her for 2 weeks. So, nag-set na siya ng mga appointment, or nag-set na siya ng uh, what do you call that, things that we are to do in 2 weeks. But turned out na 1 week lang kami dito, and then babalik kami after our road trip. Yan. We will have a road trip. I'm excited for that. Um, we will be visiting we will be visiting wait, what happened with
It
that?
was only 8 seconds long.
Oh, okay. So we will be visiting friends and families as well, in different state, and we thank God because yung car na ida-drive ni Wendell, akala ko yung Prius, but mom said kasi mom's house.
Dead sneezing.
Yeah. So mas prefer ni Mama Carol that we will take the SUV kasi nga alam niya we will be traveling interstate. So we na stress ang aking biyanan because of the insurance, na hindi kaagad inasikaso, but God paved way. I think we got the insurance
What was
today.
this?
We got the insurance today, right?
Yeah, the cars.
That's Jaco. So yeah, we got the insurance today, and so we are on schedule by Sunday, right? We'll be driving on Monday.
Monday.
So Monday, mag-drive si Wendell.
Yes.
So please pray for his patience.
Oh, I'm fine here.
No, actually, nakakatuwa nga kasi
I'm very Christ-like now.
Yung
now you can see the deer. Look straight out.
yeah, but they are so far.
Yeah, they're far away, but you can see them.
Yeah.
That's all.
Yeah, but and right now I think we have a full moon. It's starting to come out, the full moon.
It's a full moon.
Yeah. Maganda yung weather niya. I like it. Although it's bago sa pakiramdam ko kasi feeling ko parang naka-air condition ng buong kalsada. You know, it's like, and we have a furnace inside, so when the weather is too much, it kicks in, umaandar siya, so it makes the entire house warm. So yeah, the experience kakaiba, and we thank God. Kanina when we were in the dollar store, Wendell was able to pray for the cashier. What's her name?
Karen, I think she had. Oh, they're crossing the road and coming over.
Yeah, we'll wait for them, and then we'll
it'll
take
be
a
too
video
dark
of
by
them.
the time they get in the field. But anyhow,
Yeah.
Yeah, she had sore feet. I asked her if she did because I heard that.
No, not the one in the thrift store. So we also went to the thrift store. Yes, my
Oh,
jacket.
the one in the thrift store.
Yeah, my jacket. Gustong-gusto ko siya. Oh, grabe. Ang mura-mura niya. Kaya nga sabi ko.
How much did we spend on all that?
I bought and a trench coat. Baby nila akong trench coat. It's navy blue in color. Oh, napakaganda niya. And then I bought this and this also, and another one, plus Wendell's shoes and a pants, no? And we only paid $5.
Yes.
$5 altogether.
Yeah, $5 and
$5.25, no? So then
250 pesos.
yeah, so nakakatuwa kasi Sabi ko nga,
pair of shoes, 25 cents.
yeah, yung kanyang sapatos is
Pants,
25 cents. Yeah. So, kanina, this lady, Americana din siya, gave me an idea, no? Ang dami niyang binili. Grabe, may mga wallets, may mga and then, tinanong namin, what do you do with all those? So she said, it's my business. I'm selling them. Oh, no? It's like you get to bless the thrift store kasi the thrift store is like they help other people.
Yeah, they
right?
help the poor.
They help the poor.
So they get clothes in and they sell them.
Yeah.
And the proceeds go to feeding the poor, helping get houses, stuff like that.
So mom has a lot of things that she said, kunin ko muna daw yung gusto ko before she sends them to the thrift store. Mom told me that nagkataon lang na masyadong maliit yung paa ko, kung hindi, ang daming boots, ang daming shoes, no? But of course, that's why she was asking me how she can send balikbayan boxes sa Philippines. We will try to see, kasi this place is like a can we say a countryside?
Oh, here?
Yeah, this
is country. Yeah.
Country. Yeah, it's country.
Deep country.
It's not a province kasi maraming development. Oh, and kung hindi ko na video maybe tomorrow when Mama Carol drives us back to the senior citizen. Oh, we love to eat to the senior citizen club kasi good food. My only problem, walang rice. Ayan. But but it will make you full, no? Yung sinaserve nila, it's like food for 2 people. So mabubusog ka talaga kasi lahat nandun na with dessert. I took a picture. I think I posted it also kanina, no? And so, yeah, is that a cow I hear? Or a cattle?
That was a cow. Cattle, same.
Okay. So, anyhow, life here is relaxing, you get to rejuvenate yourself. Marami pong nagtatanong sa akin kung tumaba daw ako. Sabi ko, sa ilang araw pa lang dito, hindi pa ako tumataba. Ang nakikita nyo po ay layers of clothes that I have to put on. Even sa pants, no, naka-leggings ka sa loob, tapos naka-leggings, naka-jeans ka, and then you have to wear socks just to keep myself warm, no, but it's all good. I like the climate, no, and several people asked me, how did you find America? I said, it's good, because they are so surprised that it's my first time in America.
This is the countryside of Midwest America. It's not like big cities in LA, San Francisco, New York. Very quiet, very slow, very laid back. Yeah. Everybody knows everybody, even though the neighbors are, what would you say, 2 hectares away?
Yeah.
I mean, every direction. You just know everybody. You watch their farm in case you see a strange truck or someone driving by. And they just take care of each other.
Yeah.
But they have a lot of property, and they have a lot of horses and cattle. And
actually, we haven't been to Daddy Jack's own property. May nagkukwento kanina that some 2 black pickup truck pulled over to his property, and the neighbor na parang 2 hektarya ang layo mula sa kanya, sa property niya, saw that and then called Daddy Jack and said that there is 2 black trucks pulled over to your property.
There's a lot of theft and drugs in this because it's so wide spaced.
Yes.
And, people watch when you leave. They'll try to come and steal from you if they can.
But here in Mom's property, they have scattered some cameras, especially in the main gate. May camera doon that takes, and it gives them warnings. Plus, ang mga tao dito, mamaya papakita ko sa inyo yung safety vault ni Daddy Jack with all his guns. Pero hindi natin siya bubuksan. So, honey, we'll show them the safety vault of Daddy Jack's guns. Can we do that?
Yeah.
Just the safety vault, not the inside.
You want to stay out here?
Oh, let's go in. Yeah,
It's a
so,
little cold. Let's go in.
okay. And by the way, kahit na nandito malamig ang panahon, I still have my ice cold Coke. My mother-in-law, really, tinatanong ako, spoiled na manugang ito. My mother-in-law, really, ini-spoiled niya ako. So, here we are. Oo, it's a basement. Although, you can see that there's a lot of things, no? We can't, dahil yung mga matatanda na sila, so they cannot, clean up or do things, everything. So, maybe tomorrow I will help organize those things. Mga boxes lang naman. So, this is, ayan siya. Pakita ko sa inyo. This is a ka-height ko. Ha? Ayan. Didikit ako para makita nyo yung height niya. Okay. Ayan. Wait lang. Pakita ko po sa inyo. Dito ako. Ayan. My roof.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you see if the vents in the ceiling,
Yeah, it looks like it's open here.
are they
Mama.
open? Because I turned the heat thing on at night,
Okay.
even though we don't have it real high for heat.